officially day 2 of our Frisbee tournament in Georgia. We came out strong yesterday with a 3-0 over everyone, and today we have 3 more games. Our first one's at about 9 o'clock, so hopefully we can do what we did yesterday and absolutely dominate and come out on top. Montana's waving.
No, I said, yeah, we're almost there. And then you were like, oh, is it the first one or the what? And I was like, no,
no one ever heard. I wish I had a better voice and sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now it's just
Right now they just called a timeout. It's currently, I think, 4-3 us. We were up 3 breaks straight from the beginning, and then they came back with breaks as well. So let's continue to see what else we can do.
Alright. Pick called. Eric was looking a little bit frisky there, so it's probably good. It gives him a chance to settle down, think about what's going on.
He was going to throw it there.
He was, but Eric's been frisky today. Frisky.
It's on 9.
Woo! Okay, Eric again. That was good.
Header, that's your hit. What are we doing? D. Our D is freaking hot, and our O sucks. We're making sloppy mistakes we can't afford. It would be 8-0 if we had our O-line strong. So,
yeah, Eric next. Gotcha.
Eric's next.
O-line needs to wake up. I don't know if that means change your form.
Sometimes a certain smell will take me back to when I was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from? I'd make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it. I probably only sell one. Maybe to my brother, cause we have the same nose, same clothes, homegrown, a stone's throw from a creek we used to roam. But it would remind us of when nothing.
So the sun is incredibly bright, the wind is very windy, and we're still winning the game at the moment. It's been a back and forth, score after score. If you look behind me, you've got the game actually going on. So I hope that we can continue to prosper.
Playing them, it's the same people every time.
We're out here with Eric.
Hey.
He just played a fantastic game.
Hey.
He's also my housekeeper, so we're best friends. He doesn't know that yet though. We're about to play Batch, which is B at Chapel Hill, but they think they're funny. So let's see how this game goes. See here, our captain, Ian, is pulling in the ladies. Look at him go. Input?
Should have done a wind dance earlier. Obviously, it's not in our favor right now.
Out of student loans and treehouse homes, we all would take the ladder. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now it's just
It's literally up to us because we're playing so much better than they. We're just making simple mistakes. So like, if y'all want to win this tournament, let's win this tournament. But we're not doing it half-assed. We have to turn it on right now. And this.
It's now the second half of the game. We're doing it. We're doing it for the birds. And we're doing it for the mountains.
Different names, we would build a rocket ship and then we'd fly far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face, saying, wake up, you need to make money. Yeah, we used to play pretend, give each other different names. We would build a rocket ship and then we fly far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face, saying, wake up, you need to make money. Yeah. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now wish to stop. Wish we could turn back time.
As it goes, Batch finally beat us a lot to a little. We have one more game today to decide where we sit for the end of the tournament. I think it's against a team that we've already beaten, so we should be doing pretty well.
Give each other different names. We would build a rocket ship and then we fly far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face, saying, wake up, you need to make money. Yeah. We used to play pretend, give each other different names. We would build a rocket ship and then we fly far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face, saying, wake up, you need to make money. Yeah. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now wish to stop. Wish we could turn back time to the good.
It's currently after halftime. We just scored a point. The score is 7-8 now. It's interesting because our minds didn't seem to be in it, so I think this point is going to bring us back, and we still have a fighting chance.
When the mama sang us to sleep, but now wish to stop.
Used to play pretend, used to play pretend, money. We used to play pretend, wake up, you need the money. Used to play pretend, used to play pretend, money. We used to play pretend, wake up, you need the money. Used to play pretend, give each other different names. We would build a rocket ship and then we fly far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face, saying, wake up, you need to make money.
Eric, the weekend's over. How do you feel? Wouldn't expect anything less from you, Eric.
I feel pretty great.
Thanks, Teal. We won. We finished in third. Successful weekend.